got here. Looks like it's got a 50% win rate, profit factor of 2 over the last 14 trades. We've got this NASDAQ run. We caught the long on the fair value gap here. And it ran up and hit our profit, so now we're just waiting for the market to churn. That long, that similar, that silver bullet one is also here in US30. Just hadn't hit TP yet. It was also there in ES, about to hit TP. Pretty clean, just gap up and then nice little sustained run. Yeah, it looks like this one's going to go against us, but we'll see if it can come back down after we hit this high. The TP got hit on YM, and I'm assuming ES as well. Yeah. 50% win rate, but they got a really high profit factor, 3.3. This profit factor is a bit low. Low win rate. But nice silver bullets. Yeah, I think this one's gonna end up getting taken out. Yeah, we took the stop there. Still running long. I think we just need a bit more time if we want to see a pullback. Oops. Let's see. So we'll just wait for another signal to come through. Man, that YM really hit. We just barely got stopped out here on this NASDAQ. Let's see. We just got a long on YM. 39,612. Doesn't have any coordinates. Let's see. Let's set the right settings. For right now, we'll just work with this one. Oh, here they come. So we're going to take that long there. We have a short on ES. I'm going to take a pretty small position on that one. So we're going to short there. Stop 54.19. And TP will be 54.01. I would put a sell stop right there rather than a market execution if you're not in it right now. If you put a sell stop there, you'll be better off, because say that this just keeps running and stops me out. It could turn back around and keep going, but the stop will help you to, instead of doing a market execution. And that's what I like about the manual side of trading. Like when you get a signal, you can kind of just wait for a second. If it doesn't start running and it pulls up, then you could set a sell stop. Or if you know your stop, you could wait for it to get, up in here. Now you're starting to get a way better entry as far as risk reward, but you also have that same stop. So you start being able to leverage it a lot more. You can get 5-to-1s and 6-to-1s and things like that. I just copied the signal right over, so. I don't know the exact settings on this one. I know this isn't absolutely correct. But they should be coming in here soon. So I had my stop at 5419.75. The stop was actually supposed to be at 5419.25. So technically this one just got stopped out. Maybe I'll get lucky. Staying by a quarter point. And with US30, I'm having trouble finding the exact settings that we sent, so I'm just gonna close it. I don't want to have to sit through that and be, unsure of what's there. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Um. Hold on. Dang, this one's running. I'd like to get in short here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take one. I'll take two contracts there. And my stop will be a little modified because I need to get at least a 1-to-1. So go with that. So I should have entered short here, but I hadn't pulled this system up yet. I was still dealing with that other model. I did pull late, but I just went ahead and measured out a 1-to-1 in case we get running. I need to go make a protein shake. I'll be right back. Okay. So we went about halfway to TP. Go ahead and shrink that stop down a little bit. We got to pull back on all of them. What's up, Brandon? Okay, so we ran back into entry, but we're still floating in profit just by a bit. Nothing super promising, but we got a deeper dig than before, so we just need to see if they're able to sustain that. I really don't see any point if they get up in this area. I'll just go ahead and take the loss. I don't see any point in holding that whole ride if they come all the way back up again. Be right back. Oh, buddy. And we're back. Still fighting. Still fighting to stay in, I guess. We've got like a 50% win rate on it. So I think there's still a pretty good chance. That's until 9:30, so we got 15 more minutes. Nice. I like that. That's a good push. Move my stop down a little bit more to the top of that fair value gap that we entered on. And at this point, we just let them run. Getting pullbacks now. Kind of consolidating. We got close to TP, but we just weren't able to finish it off. Yeah, they're pulling back pretty heavy. Which one do I like more? Bouncing around at entry. Nasdaq's been in this range for almost an hour. Yeah, so we're starting to go in down draw here on US30 and ES. It's about the same loss on both of them. I'll just go ahead and take the loss. We sat through a good amount of profit. But at this point, I'm not going to move the stop. I'm just going to leave it, and I'll take whatever it's wanting to give me.
Yo, what up, T?
What's going on, bro?
Chilling, chilling. Catch anything good? Are you going short today?
We caught these two shorts, and they were sitting in profit for a while, but came back.
I see.
Oh shit, nice. Hell yeah.
What? What happened?
Smug's running.
Oh shit.
Thanks, Brandon. Appreciate that, bro. Yelling at these nerds on threads. Who is that? I should just like zoom where you could like mute everyone on entry, but they could
Yeah.
still unmute themselves. Oh my god, bro. Just go. Just hit a TP. Good god, look how close it got. Bastards.
Seems like not a lot's happened since open, huh? It's been quite quiet.
Yeah, it's been chilling.
Okay, we've got a full bullet short on NQ. Oh, that's actually quite a nice looking one. Little tight, but who can take it, brother? You know what? I was thinking about something on this silver bullet model.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, it limit orders in on the fair value gap. But what if I changed it to go in on a close of the candle if the close isn't above the bullish fair value gap?
You're gonna have to repeat that. I don't really. What do you mean?
Like, because right now I just limit orders in on the bottom of the fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, would it be better to do like wait for the candle to close and then go in? And like if it doesn't close above the top of the fair value gap, like on the other side, then it goes in short.
I mean that. I think that could definitely help.
Yeah.
You know, it gives you a little bit more.
Yeah, because it gives you an idea there's a bit of rejection in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It'll probably give you a bit of entry.
Yeah, I think the start would be like, you know, getting in whether you want a lower entry, a middle entry, or upper entry, or if you want a full crossback entry. That way, when you
Yeah.
do have the crossback, you could decide, well, I want it to go all the way through, but I want to take the top crossback or the middle crossback or the lower.
Right.
Oh, bruh. YM.
Dude, the market's ranging quite hardcore right now. Eh?
Yeah, it is.
How are we up 1.42%? That's insane. It's because of news. My exchange.
Yeah, it's been. I caught a nasty long right here on NASDAQ this morning. I bought at this gap here, and I think we
Yeah.
TP'd like right in here.
Hell yeah.
I was still at the gym though. Bruh, that is the nastiest pullback I've seen in weeks.
Yeah, it's crazy. Especially since it was like 2 ticks away from your TP.
Yeah.
That's how it goes sometimes.
Probably less. It do be like that. He said, LOL, he is alive. I guess I wasn't talking for a minute.
That's someone on one of the streams.
Yeah, on the YouTube stream.
Okay. Oh, slow day, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It would be interesting conceptually
What's that?
for the silver bullet model. Because so we have that fair value gap there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Once we go into the fair value gap, if the candle closes above the fair value gap, then it treats it like a inverted fair value gap and goes long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've seen a couple of
If,
those
but if,
systems
but if,
lately.
yeah, but if it doesn't close above, then it takes a short. So
Yeah.
obviously it would have to be a one candle, but it would have to do it in one candle. It
Mm-hmm.
wouldn't be able to like grind up because otherwise it would just automatically take the short.
Yeah. I mean, bro, I think that's the secret. Is we could build everything under the sun. I think it's like you lay them out. Build as many as you
Yeah,
can, and then you lay them out. You let the worst ones fall through the cracks, and you keep the best ones, and then repeat the process.
yeah, for sure.
I think that's the key, bro. Is like just as many ideas as we can get on paper that
Mm.
have, because I mean each strategy. I don't think we've had even our simplest strategy. We're at least getting like solid numbers as far as profit factor, win rate.
Yeah,
I know, obviously, some are better than others. Like we built the heist DMA or EA, and then we were like, damn, that's pretty good. And then you added
right,
the silver bullet to it, and you're like, damn, that's even better. So I
right.
think it's just that process of like, bro, I've been seeing uh, this guy on Instagram. He takes like just like an inverted fair value gap. So like right here, you get the bullish fair value gap. Then it was connected to the bearish one, and so he'd be looking to take a short in here.
Yeah,
So I mean, but the easy part is like once it's built, you just let the numbers tell you what to do. You know.
yeah, no, for sure.
These are lame, 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 lame.
What was I gonna say? When you get a chance, we still need to do that the seasonal contract things.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Still trying to figure out if I can predict the how to adjust some of these models automatically.
Mm.
Why are we getting another signal?
What's the auto trader sitting at today?
I think it's down like 150.
Okay.
But it doesn't take any trades till later.
Hmm.
It took a couple pre-market trades.
Let's go.
What have we got going on? Is there big news tomorrow?
I have no idea, to be honest.
Oh, inflation data. That's why we're fucking grinding.
Hmm.
That makes sense. Makes sense, brother. Makes sense. Taking a little short on ES here.
And I'm out. That wasn't a terrible trade. We got in like all the way over here, so. And it literally, I put the wrong stop instead of 419.25. I put 419.75. We got all these extra little runs, and then it literally just missed my TP by. This is 401.25. The low is 401.5. So, I mean, missed this one by a quarter point, and then missed my TP by a quarter point. It happens.
Sometimes it's really just how it goes, man.
Mm-hmm. Looking like this YM is about to stop out too, but I'm going to let it run. I got about 15 more minutes. But anyway, appreciate you guys being on the call. Thanks for being on the stream. Catch a bit more tomorrow. Oh, and we'll wait on it. And there it goes. All right, y'all. At least we got to choke the stops up too, so we didn't even have to take a full loss. It was really only about a quarter of what we should have taken. And it looks like the market's really just running long today. You got 4 hour. Looks like we got a nice little 4 hour setup running. It's running short.
Wait, on the silver bullet trader.
Yeah. I don't
That's
think
funny. I've actually never even tried to look at it on the high time frame.
Yeah, I think this one would probably be better as a target right now. The way the market's looking. Because it's running up pretty heavy against it. But all right, y'all. Solid morning. I mean, nothing major. Didn't take any major losses. And then didn't get it on stream, but we took that silver bullet long earlier. Looks like, yeah, just had another silver bullet that ran and hit TP too. That one sat for a while, but be doing a little bit more with this silver bullet. This thing's freaking nice. Thanks, Cam.
Yeah, well, if anyone has any ideas, send them